Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Building UV sanitizing into vacuum cleaning devices has been what a company called RAYCOP is all about. It can kill a wide range of viruses and bacteria, and RAYCOP's founder, Dr. Michael Lee, employed the technology into vacuums designed to help his patients battle allergies. There are ongoing studies about the technology and the coronavirus, but Dr. Lee says
it's very highly effective at killing bacteria and viruses because it can destroy the molecular bonds that hold their DNA together. This UVC technology is routinely used in hospitals. With RAYCOP, you can sanitize all your surfaces with UVC technology.
There are handheld and cordless models at RAYCOP.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.